So today I'm going to apply rice water in my hairs. So here's my hair before applying rice water. They are not greasy, but yeah, that's how my hair looks without oiling. So let's take a back view of my hairs. Here's back look of my hairs. So here is my hair in natural sunlight, bit frizzy as you can see. तो बकबक बंद करते हैं और चलो राइस वाटर बनाते हैं. Let's go. So for rice water I'm using this white rice, natural. So let's make plain rice water, not fermented one. So let's wash them first. So I'm going to wash them twice so there is no dirt left in rice water. Let's mix some water in it. I'm taking rice water according to my length. You can take less or more rice water according to your hair length. Here I'm going to heat my rice about 10 minutes so all goodness of rice mix into the water so we can apply it in on our hairs. So it's been 2 minutes. As you can see, my water will start boiling. Let's wait for another 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. As you can see, my rice is already half cooked. Now I'm going to take this water out of my rice. Here I'm going to take water out of my rice. Yeah, so that's how I get the rice water because that process takes too long. So yeah, this is my DIY. So now take this rice water and put into this jar so we can apply it on our hairs. Let's go. Let's wait for some time to let it cool, this rice water, because it's too warm now. So let's wait for 5 minutes, then put this rice water in this jar, then apply it on our hairs. So my rice water is ready for application now, and here's my rice. I put them again on the gas because they are half cooked or I don't want to waste my precious rice, so I'll cook them fully, then eat them later. So now let's apply this rice water. It's bit warm. My rice water is ready. Now let's apply it on our hair. Now let's apply this on our hairs. So like this, I'm going to just rinse my hair with this. I'm going to apply like this because I don't want to. Yeah, I'm totally messed right now. Let's just apply it and wait for 1 hour, then wash it off. if you have spray bottle, use spray bottle to apply rice water evenly in your hairs, so you don't mess like me, like I'm all wet right now. So yeah, so my hair is pretty wet right now. Yeah, I'm going to apply like this all of my hair, then I'll show you. Yeah, I took shower with rice water. So as you can see, I apply rice water in my hairs already, or you can say I took shower with rice water, but yeah, I applied it. Just look at my hair. So I already make one of my hairs. Now let's wait for 1 hour. Till then I'm going to study. Let me show you. So here's my bun. Now let's go for study. Yeah, I didn't study for about 2 or 3 days, so I need to study. Yeah, let's go. So here is my study table. Ignore that. So I'm going to study for about 1 hour, then I'm going to wash off my hairs because so it's been 1.5 hours. I lost track of time, but I'm going to wash my hair. They are still wet and my hair doesn't smelling like rice. I thought they will smell like rice, like I cooked rice on my hair, but yeah, they doesn't smelling anything. Just I'm feeling like I wet my hair with water and nothing else. That's a good thing. Now I'm going to wash my hair, then tell you the result. Here's my hair. Let's go. And yeah, I have a speaking problem. Just ignore that. Means don't ignore the video, but just ignore me, please. I have speaking problem. I really do. So let's wash my hair right now. I'm going to wash my hair. So I washed my hairs. To be honest, I can't see result now. I think I will see when my hair is dry. So I will let them air dry and I'll tell you what is the result. So here's the result of rice water. My hair is totally dry now. So I notice only 2 difference. First one is rice water adds shine and softness in your hairs. And second one is, that I personally noticed, that is my hair is little bit curly in the ends, but as you can see they are curly but not that much that I usually have. So yeah, rice water have some types of properties that straighten your hair, that help to straighten your hair. So yeah, my hair is little bit straight too. And now I'm going to take a back look of my hairs to show you. And yeah, this is a really good remedy for shine and volume for hairs, so I'm happy with it. So here's my hair after applying rice water. If you want to know about the rice water advantage, disadvantage, make sure to read my description box below. And yeah, that's for it, this video. See you in the next video. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.